How many hours did you lose this week alone just renaming PDFs, sorting invoices, and hunting for lost files? We think your time is way too valuable for that. That's why we built Filently, the intelligent automation layer that sits right on top of your Google Drive, with absolutely zero manual effort. It's beautifully simple. The moment a new file arrives, whether you drop it into your Drive inbox, forward it via email, or just drag and drop it, it instantly analyzes the document type, the date, and key details in almost any language. It renames the file into your preferred format and automatically drops it into the right folder. It's like magic, but for your workflow. No matter how your workspace looks right now, Filently adapts. If you're already organized, it simply learns your style and keeps it that way. If you're starting from scratch, it builds a clean folder structure for you. And if your drive is an absolute disaster, it brings order back. The best part? It integrates seamlessly with your existing drive from day one. Your data stays strictly yours. Your files are never copied and never used to train AI. It's fully encrypted and Swiss-made, meaning your corporate compliance and private documents stay fully protected. Over 700 people have already trusted Filently with their files. Now it's your turn. Your first 25 files are on us. No credit card needed to see Filently in action. Escape document chaos at filently.com. Get your time back.